Welcome. We are back with another tutorial, and we're gonna play around with Gemini by Google. It's the AI by Google. It's free. It does a lot. It creates tables. It shows you pictures. It does all types of stuff, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is show me pictures and names of different squirrels. All right. No shit. It's about to show us everything, right? And if you want to, you could click on it and it takes you to the website that it got the image from. So that's pretty dope, right? It's giving you different stuff, right? I'm gonna create a table with the names of different squirrels and where they live. Now it's going to generate a table for us. You ask for a table, right? Boom, boom. It's telling you, just gave you the table, right? Yeah, dope. So now we're going to do another prompt. It's going to be show me what are the best cameras to buy in 2024. Create a table with the names, specs, pros, and cons. Cool. Because I've been trying to buy a camera, you know what I mean? And cool. Created a nice little table for me. I could also export it to sheets. So that's dope, right? Shout outs to AI. And one thing you should know is, let's say you went to one conversation, then you went to another one, but you want to go back to another one. You click right here, and then you go right here. And now we're gonna go back. We're gonna follow up with this prompt. Oh, no, I already followed up. I'm gonna follow up with this prompt. Why should I use this information? Now it's following up with the conversation, right? Because you can have multiple conversations with AI and it's going to remember. So it's your friend, right? So make sure you like, comment, and share. Tell me how you feel about Google Gemini and what LLM do you like.